Layas na naman kami.
Mami.
September 14, Friday. Papunta kami sa Marcula Beach. 1.5 hours daw drive mula dito sa Taigum. Celebration ng birthday ni Manay Josil. Mag-stay kami sa hotel 3 days 2 nights. Yeah.
Just to feel young, moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime, stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
Parating na rin kami sa wakas. House tour.
Dito si ano, dito si Kai.
Ito ang isang bathroom. Ito, may body lotion. May facial wash. May laundry room. Tapos may plancha. May plantsahan. Ayan, gamit sa pangkusina. Tapos yan. May lutuan. Mayroong oven, may microwave.
Ano natin? Kasi tayo dito, doon tayo sa dalawang single. Saan siya? Kasi kung tumating siya,
Yan, may green tea. Tapos, different kind of coffee. washing machine. And this is the second room. Second bedroom. Sa room ko, may access ako rito sa dito. Ay, may access pala dyan sa labas. Sa may pool, malapit doon ang pool.
Ayan, may ano. May bathtub,
Yan
may
ang
bathtub si Cass.
parang pinaka-master.
May bathtub. Harry, magsiswim ka din. Sana ganito lang yung tutuba.
Ito naman kami ngayon sa room ni Ate Jo.
Let's go!
Pero bukas, aalis din sila.
Hello, tita! Maganda yung... Hello! 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 Hello!
Diyan na lang tayo sa baba. Your room is bigger.
Hello.
You got a much bigger room. Mas malaki. Wala naman ano, wala. Madilim.
Ito naman ang room ni na Ate Jo.
In the morning, makakabila ko lang. Ano wala? Market sa aga. Market yung market sa aga.
Yan daw, dagat. Dagat na dyan.
Pambata yan.
Ayun siya maliit.
Kaya bukas, ayan, maganda na dito bukas ang view.